Here we have a 2018 18 plate BMW 540i XDRIVE M Sport. Now we do have 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 20-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. Now just hiding behind those, we do have the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have your LED headlights as well as your black Kid & Girls full M Sport styling kit. Now you do have a carbon fibre front splitter, black side skirt extensions, rear carbon fibre boot spoiler and rear carbon fibre diffuser. Now there's a quick look at another superb alloy wheel. Now stepping back, you can see we do have the blacked out styling. So again, with the black wheels, we do have the black window trim with privacy glass on the rear. Now there's a quick look at another superb alloy wheel. Now with this vehicle, you do get front and rear parking sensors with dual X exhaust flush with a rear bumper and also the carbon rear diffuser. Now there's a quick look, a closer look at the carbon fibre on the rear boot spoiler and the rear diffuser. Now that's not any marks, that's just water and ice, as it is very, very cold today. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle, especially with those carbon fibre accents. And there's a look at another superb alloy wheel. Now if we go to the rear of the car, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now as you can see, we do have full leather throughout, which is cream. We have isofix points just down there, pull down leather armrest with 2 nice size cup holders. We have your storage behind the passenger and the driver's seat, and you also have your storage with your vents and your 12-volt connectivity in the centre. Now on the doors, you do get your electric windows with your integrated premium Harman Kardon speakers, ambient lighting just up the top, and piano black gloss trim. Going to the front of the car, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now it is heated and electric, as you have the electric function just down there. Now on the doors, you get your electric windows. You also have your integrated Harman Kardon speakers, again the piano black gloss black trim. Now jumping inside the car and looking just down there, you have your auto lights. You can see the ambient light in there as well, which is a very nice addition to this vehicle. Now you do have keyless start, so foot on the brake, press the button and then the vehicle will then start. Now you do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. You also have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. Now in the centre here, we do have 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings like today, it really does make all of the difference. We have the dual zone climate control, which works exactly how you would expect it to, as you can see just there. Now we do have the virtual dash in front of me, which has done just over 28,270 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now going through the different drive modes, it actually changes the look of the screen in front here, which is a very nice addition to this vehicle. Now in the screen in the centre, you can find your satellite navigation as well as your media connectivity. So you do have your DAB radio, scroll across, you have FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, USB. We also have Bluetooth phone connectivity just there as well. We have your navigation as well as your home menu just there as well. Now I do have different drive modes where you do have Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. You also have Sports Plus and also Individual. Now pop the car into reverse, you can see your front and rear parking sensors just there. Now the screen flickering, that is just rolling shutter, so there's nothing to worry about on the actual screen itself. Now you do have the intelligent safety, so you can have that all on, or you can have it individual, or you can turn it all off. That it keeps you safe from obviously people going past. Now the screen is also touchscreen, as you can see just there. Now coming down here, we do have the centre console where you can have, again, your piano black trim. Push that open, you have 2 nice size cup holders and storage just under there with your ambient lighting, 12-volt connectivity and also USB there as well. Now this is what you use to control what happens on your screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. Electric parking brake with auto hold, track control on and off, as well if you drive mode select, and also parking sensors. Soft touch leather armrests with storage just underneath as well. And as a look at the passenger's full leather front seat with the extended thigh support just like the driver. Now I do have the piano black gloss trim with the brush metal trim all around this vehicle, as well as your ambient lighting, which is a very nice addition to have. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. This HPI clear comes with fresh service, new OT, and we do offer competitive overlay finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 540i M Sport. Now the
purpose of this video test drive today is to show you the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not having to fight with steering wheel to keep it a straight line. It's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel, we do find a cruise control and speed limiter. Now press the button at the very top of the dial, and it'll then go to the nearest miles an hour. Then use the dial just there to go up and down to find your selected speed. Push up very slightly or just by one, and push up until feel a bit of a click, and it'll just turn nearest 5 miles an hour. Now at the roundabout, I'm taking a left as you would if you test drive this vehicle today. Now we do have paddle shift if we stick the car into manual mode, so we're going to do so now. So drop it down from fourth, into third, into second, back into third, into fourth, into fifth, and then let the car take back over by simply just letting go. Now you can also change the gears by pushing to the left on the gear stick. Now you can put into M and S, M meaning manual mode, and S meaning the sports gear changing mode. Now when it's in M, you can use the gear stick to go down and up to go through the selected gears. Now when in S, it does rev through the rev range a lot longer and sharpens up those gear changes. We do have the digital dash in front of me. When you put it into different drive modes, it does go a different colour and does a slightly different look. Now we do have the satellite navigation screen just in the centre. Now you can find again your satellite navigation, Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, front and rear parking sensors visual display, and you do also have your DAB radio. Now do you have the integrated Harman premium sound system, which does sound absolutely incredible. We also have very comfortable full Dakota leather seats throughout, and the 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings really does make all the difference. Now you can see the ambient lighting all around the interior of this vehicle, which is a very nice addition to have, especially when it is pitch black. It does shine a lot lighter, brighter than it does in the daylight, and really does make the interior of this car at night really, really pop. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out if anyone to knocks or bangs, and if you're listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. So right now, I'll go to the industrial side, where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, just to show that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to, and you'll see pop up in the centre screen the visual display of your front and rear parking sensors. So 3, 2, 1, hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You can see the front and rear parking sensors visual display just there as well. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video and test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.